Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson, Strata Data in London. I'm here with Ziya from Intel. Ziya, how you doing?
Very good. Great to see you again, Mike.
You too. Last we spoke was in Singapore in December.
Yeah.
So you gave a keynote today. Can you unpack a little bit about what are the main points you wanted today for people to take away?
Yeah, sure. So, earlier this year, our CEO, BK, Brian Krzanich, has informed the industry that Intel has transformed into a data company. So we have been going along the data journey for several years now. That's why, in Singapore last time we talked about our data strategy.
So one of the largest silicon makers in hardware is now a data company.
It's a data company.
Yeah.
So this is because the growth in our data center and other businesses is driven by our industry's data transformation. In the previous years, we worked on the technologies for enabling big data and analytics workloads for customers. And now we're working on AI workloads for customers. But whether it's AI, it's big data or analytics, our commitment is always the same. We want to make sure that we deliver the best experience for our customers' workloads on Intel hardware.
So when you say Intel hardware, you mean you guys cover everything from way down at the chip level all the way through the stack? Is that how Intel looks at data now?
Yes. So at the silicon level, we have been driving innovations. And you saw all the innovation that we're doing with computer storage and a network. And even at the computer space, you saw the work that we do with Xeon, Xeon Phi, FPGA, and Nirvana. And then at the software level, we optimize data and analytics and AI workloads on Intel hardware for much improved performance, scalability, and ease of use, and security. And then, using analytics as an example, we have been driving analytics deployment on Intel platform.
And so a lot of your partners that plug into the Intel platform, the ecosystem, are seeing big gains because of performance and scalability and security. Is that what Intel's bringing to kind of that partner ecosystem?
Right, and that's what we mean by best experience for our customers and for our ecosystem. Is for best performance, for cost effectiveness, and for ease of use, and for security and scalability. And Intel has proven to be a leader, and we're uniquely positioned for democratizing technologies, whether it's for AI, for analytics, or for big data previously.
So how important is, since Intel is now a data company, or is a data company, how important is AI to your future as well? Is data and AI now synonymous, or are they still two separate things but really important together?
They are part of the one journey. If I look at our data journey, many years ago when it first started, we're talking about having most cost-effective data storage solutions, that's why we started optimizing Hadoop solution stack on Intel hardware. And then later on, we were looking for more performant data processing engine. That's when we started working on Spark for Intel hardware. And then after that, we started introducing analytics experience on Intel hardware. And with a traditional machine learning getting added to the analytics layer. And then in recent couple of years, AI is becoming the next wave of this journey. So we're just continuing with our data journey, and this is exactly why BK said we have transformed into a data company, because the journey does not start this year. It's a continuous evolution for our technologies. And at the end of the day, we want to work with the ecosystem and make sure our customers and partners, they have the best experience. And then again, performance, scalability, cost effectiveness, and security on our hardware, but then also leveraging our software capabilities.
So Intel's always been notorious for improving performance, and Moore's law with processor speeds and everything just kept growing crazy. Is the same thing going to happen now in the data and AI world, where you're going to be able to ingest and make make decisions quickly from AI and machine learning combinations?
I think performance is one, and obviously, as a technology company, it's very easy to say, my performance is better. But I think at the end of the day, the adoption, the impact of your technology is going to be measured by how much you're satisfying the customer's needs. And then after years of working with our customers in data, in analytics and AI space, it is clear nowadays customers are no longer just looking for performance. They're looking for security. They're looking for scalability. They're looking for ease of use. They're looking for lower cost of ownership. So then how do we make sure that we provide the software and hardware solution stack that really will address those needs rather than just the performance itself?
So you look at the holistic picture of working with your customer, including probably reliability in there as well, right?
Yes.
Like one of those things where if you have a medical device or whatever that's feeding data or learning from a patient, you can't have that fail or anything like that. So Intel I look at as great hardware in the past, data company now. If we fast forward 10 years, are you an AI company or are you, what do you see, let's just say not 10 years because that's way too far out there with the way the industry changes so quickly. 3 years from now, what do you think Intel is going to look like?
I think we will continue with our data journey, but our goal or our strategy is always the same. No matter what the next wave is, we will make sure that we give customer the best experience using our hardware and software solution. So maybe today it's performance, scalability, and security for some workloads, and then we're also looking at cost effectiveness and other customer needs. But really, at the end, satisfying and address customers' needs is our biggest goal for different new workloads. That's yet to come.
Excellent, Ziya. We look forward to that journey with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks.